What's up, guys? I'm back from vacation. Today, I got my Sporty back here. We got, here, let me show you, a Cocks rear subframe. Gonna get this thing installed on here. Here's the deal. I'm gonna do a shorter video for here and a longer video over on YouTube. So if you go over to Ride or Rot with Nick the Harley Guy, you can see the full install video. So yeah, with further ado, let's get to it. Now, my original plan was to run a squish plate in the rear here and kind of keep the stock looking rear set up. But with how my plate mount's set, it won't work, it won't fit. So I had to go a different route, and unfortunately I feel bad about it. But I just don't want to have to keep cutting into the fender. I know the fender's going to get ruined anyways in the end of the day, but I still want it to look okay. Let's get to this. So first off, got to pull your strut covers off here, pull your shocks down. I do have the bike up on my lift here, my little jack lift. And get those off here, get this thing bolted on, and then we'll get to the next piece. There's a surprise coming, and I'm excited to show you guys. So yeah, let's do that. All right, now I got the side strut covers off. You're gonna basically throw this thing up there, line the holes up, and bolt it on. Very simple. Now, the kit that's in from Cocks will have all the hardware, everything you need. I got titanium block in the rear here, and I know I haven't earned that yet, but I got it for when I do earn it. I don't know what to tell you. Don't give me shit. Now, under your fender, you do have to pull out this brace to allow you to throw the bolts through the side here without having to worry about the threads. Now, your titanium, they give you some bolts thrown in the back here. Throw them on there, and it's very simple. All right, so it's installed, and that was a very simple install. Let me show you. Very straightforward, straight bolt on, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. If you're looking for stunt parts, looking for anything protection wise for your bike, whether it's on a sport bike, a Harley, whatever it is, go check out Cocks Stunt parts online. They will have what you need. And I appreciate you for coming to hang out at Ride or Rot. We will have a lot more install videos on this bike, a lot more good stuff coming because I got a lot of plans for this bike. This thing was this is the cheapest bike I've ever bought in my entire life, but it's a whole different thing of riding a bike that's built for this specific purpose. You know, I'm new to stunting, and I'm not going to even say that I'm even an amateur at it. I'm a beginner. I'm still learning. I can get the front wheel up and I can almost hit balance point, but there's a lot more that I need to understand. And the really cool part is that, you know, getting into riding like this, it teaches you a different aspect of what motorcycling is about. It teaches you to respect the machine more because these can hurt you very easily and very quickly, especially when you're doing things like we are on these bikes. So if you want to, you know, dig into something new, learn a new hobby, and something that you can, like, you know, goal oriented, because I can trust you right now, this is a mind screw up in the head when you pull that front wheel off the ground and you get to the spot where it feels very uncomfortable. But I appreciate you guys for coming to hang out, Ride or Rot. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And of course, you know, come back and see me. We'll talk again later. Take it easy, guys.